Hi everyone. So a lot of you were asking for a list of important reports, annual surveys and indices, my dear friends, for the RBI Grade B 2025 examination. So here I am with a complete list of important annual reports and indices for this particular examination. So before going to the list, we need to understand that how we have to cover and for which phase we have to cover these reports and indices. ठीक है. तो मैं आपका 5 मिनट लूंगा. इन 5 मिनट में your all the doubts with respect to the reports and surveys shall be cleared. So first of all, if I talk about the importance, my dear friends, so I'm talking about all the indices and reports and annual surveys, right? So all the importance, all the annual reports, indices, surveys, my dear friends, are important for both the phases, phase 1 and phase 2. Phase 2 mein it is specifically important for ESI because in FM they do not ask any question, any particular question from annual reports, right? But you never know कि ऑब्जेक्टिव में से आरबीआई एनुअल रिपोर्ट का क्वेश्चन आ जाए. ठीक है, you never know, right? You never know that they ask a question from RBI annual report in the descriptive of FM of finance, right? You never know they ask a question from FSC report in the descriptive paper of FM. So you need to be prepared accordingly. So basically, the importance of annual surveys and reports is for both the phases, phase 1 and phase 2. Now in phase 1, my dear friends, they mostly going to ask you the facts, figures and data from that particular annual survey or report. So while going through any particular report, annual survey or index, you need to just focus on the facts, figures and data if you are preparing for phase 1, right? While going for phase 2, you need to also understand the report well. Along with the facts, figures and data, of course, you need to remember the facts, figures and data. But along with the facts, figures and data, my dear friends, you need to understand the report as well so that you will be able to write a good descriptive answer based on that particular report or annual survey. So, for example, in 2023, there was a question from World Development Report, right? That is explicitly mentioned in the syllabus. Okay, there was a descriptive question. So, in that case, if you have to write a descriptive question, a descriptive answer to a particular report, then of course you need to understand it properly. अब पूरी report आप याद करके तो नहीं जा सकते word to word, that is not possible. So once you understand it with certain facts, figures and data, of course you will be able to write a good 600 words 15 marker answer to any particular question based on annual reports or survey. Okay, so this is how you need to cover all these annual reports and surveys for both the phases, phase 1 and phase 2. Now talking about the list of important reports. First I'll tell you the list of, I'll give you the list of the reports from the important international organization. So from World Bank we have two reports, Global Economic Prospects and World Development Report. World Development Report for 2025 has not been released yet. Global Economic Prospect, my dear friends, I'm going to cover after phase 1 because I believe जो phase 1 के रिस्पेक्ट में होगा, that you must have already covered in your General Current Affairs magazine. IMF में World Economic Outlook and Global Financial Stability Report, both of these reports have been already covered and these are important. World Economic Forum, Global Gender Gap Report, Global Risk Report, both of these reports have been covered by me. This Global Gender Gap Report was covered in PIB and Global Risk Report separately. Then we have UNCTAD World Investment Report. This is an important report. ILO की दो रिपोर्ट्स हैं, वर्ल्ड एम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड सोशल आउटलुक, ग्लोबल वेज रिपोर्ट, यूएनडीपी ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट रिपोर्ट, यूनाइटेड नेशन सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट रिपोर्ट. These two reports obviously are really very important. A lot of questions have been asked in the RBI Grade B examination and it can be asked in future as well. Okay, so these are the reports of the international organization. Out of all these reports, two reports are explicitly mentioned in the syllabus of RBI. These are World Development Report and World Economic Outlook. ये जो रिपोर्ट्स है ये एक्सप्लिसिटली मेंशन्ड है, तो ये तो आपको बहुत अच्छे से करके जानी है. And as I told you already that a question from World Development Report was asked in 2023. All right. Now coming to the reports and surveys of India, ठीक है, and these are equally very important. Union Budget Economic Survey, ठीक है, Acer report that is released by Pratham, Niti Aayog Multi-Dimensional Poverty Index, India State of Forest Report 2023, Foreign Trade Policy, Niti Aayog NER SDG Index, PLFS, NFHS, RBI Annual Report and FSC Report. So out of all these reports, my dear friends, Budget and Economic Survey, I have covered, the entire budget and survey have been covered on YouTube when they were released. So just go to the playlist and you'll have these video. These Acer 2 Niti Aayog NER SDG index, these are covered in the course, but if you are not, if you are an enrolled student, you can just go through these reports. But if you are a non-enrolled student, you need to wait till my survey MCQ sessions, which I will be taking on YouTube. ठीक है, सर्वे का मैं MCQ सेशन लूंगा जहाँ पे आई विल बी कवरिंग ऑल दी सर्वे. PLFS and NFHS, जो NFHS 6 है, इट हैज येट नॉट रिलीज, एंड PLFS अभी 2024-25 का भी नहीं आया है, एंड मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेडली बोथ ऑफ दीज विल बी रिलीज इन द मंथ ऑफ सितंबर. सो अगर सितंबर में रिलीज हो जाएगा देन ऑफ कोर्स यू विल हैव टू कवर इट. I will be covering it in PIB. RBI annual report and FSC report, both of these reports have been covered by Madhav sir in his class. ठीक है. Coming to the indices, these are the important indices that you need to cover: corruption perception index, inclusive internet index, global energy transition index. And actually index तो यार जो आपकी general current affairs magazine है, ठीक है, whatever whichever general current affairs magazine you are following, you can cover all the indices which are there in that particular magazine. ठीक है, आपको सारा कर लेना चाहिए बिकॉज देर इज अ ह्यूज कॉम्पिटिशन. तो क्यों हम बजटिंग करें अपनी प्रिपरेशन में. ठीक है, ऑल राइट. तो यही थी बस लिस्ट छोटी सी. लॉट ऑफ पीपल वर आस्किंग फॉर इट अगेन एंड अगेन. आई होप आपको लिस्ट क्लियर है. And if you want to go for the cutoff, if you want to crack your cutoff, you can go for the cutoff cracker course, which is currently live now. The details of this particular course is in the description, my dear friends. Thank you very much for being with me. Goodbye, take care, and God bless.